You know what day it is?
It's unboxing day.
Unboxing day.
And you know, I'm excited because it's surprises.
Unboxing and mail call. We have 4 cases of
Japan Historics 5.
Japan Historic 5. There's 4 chances at a chase.
So we will open every box.
So we're scalpers.
We are.
We're
also 2X Gen collectors.
Yeah, we are.
I'm Amy,
scalpers.
and that's David. We sell on Whatnot.
Yep. We're on Whatnot at the towards the top of the description. There's a link. If you've never downloaded the Whatnot app, never signed up for Whatnot, click that link. It'll download the app for you and give you $15 to spend in our stream. That's $15 cash. No catches, no tricks, no nothing.
If you've already signed up, sorry.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. But here's some mail call over here. We got, and we're going to rip through those. Japan Historic 5. So there is a chance at a chase.
Super excited. I'm hoping.
And it is that gold 510 wagon.
Oh my gosh.
So it is one of the very few non-all black chases.
It's like the third one, right? The
I
pink, the Willie, and...
Yeah, I call the Willie a non-all black, obviously. The pink, yes, and then this.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Let's do it.
All right, you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Crack 'em.
All right, box 1. Can we say today is a very cold day?
I have not seen this set up close, so this will be fun to check it out.
I have to bend it back. Well, I don't see a chase in this one. Ooh, I mean, I could be wrong, but there is the Datsun 620. Amazing on that one. Honda CRX. I like a good Honda CRX. Let's just look at it. Oh my gosh, I love it.
The anniversary?
Ooh, the Celica. Yes, it does say 10th anniversary. David, look at that art on that. It has
Love those cards. They did good this year on the cards.
X's, 2 Datsun. Ooh, that skyline is sweet.
Love that blue.
Look at those little bitty butt lights. They can't see them. Toyotas.
AE86.
Just call that a Toyota.
All right, strike 1 on the chases.
So what is the chase going to be?
Gold 510 wagon. It's not one of the cars.
Oh,
in
it's
this.
not one of the
Yes.
cars? They did something totally
Yes.
different?
And I think that's the first time they've done that.
Oh my gosh, I think that's...
Tell me if I'm wrong in the chat, but
I think that's super smart of them.
yeah,
I like that.
it's a totally different car.
I think that's cool. I was just looking for gold as soon as I opened it. Oh my gosh. David, I see gold.
There's gold in that there box. Go for it.
Pulling it out.
Bang.
Oh my gosh. It even says 10th anniversary. Wonder if it's just because it's the 10th anniversary they did a different car. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Butt lights. Wow, David.
That is pretty. All right. So we're 1 for 2.
Let's go. David's going to put it on a projector. Whew.
Yep. Right now.
Don't even carry it in there.
I could drop it.
I know, I'm afraid. If you hear anything fall, it's David dropping it. I can't open this until he's back because then we'll miss out. All right, we'll start to bend it back. I won't look until we have him here. I don't think I see gold. Do you see gold?
No gold.
No gold. Next one.
1 for 3.
Look at Lexi. She is so not being modest at all. Sorry, guys. She just does not care. She likes to put it all out there for everybody. All right.
Let's go. Can we go 50%?
I don't see it yet. No, just 1.
1 out of 4.
Woo!
I'll take that.
I will take that any day.
You know what we need to do? We need to crack a set.
Okay. Well, this one's already cracked.
Yeah.
So I'm going to
Perfect.
crack that one. Here we go. Oh, I didn't do very well. You know I'm all about the crack. All about the crack.
Look at that. Not bad. Not bad.
Not
I like
bad.
that. That's a different looking paint.
I do like that color. It's
Yeah.
like a camel color. Oh That's what I'm going with. Okay, let me feel these. All right, we will go with the CRX. Y'all ready? Did you hear that pop?
That was a good crack.
It's a good crack.
Look at her. She's a pretty one.
I like her.
She's a beaut.
She's a beaut. What do we have next? Celica?
Let's do a Celica.
Gosh, Lexi is just not very modest back there. Whew.
That paint pops.
Does. I like that
Charcoal
gray.
flake.
Look
Yep.
at that flake. Like it. Ooh, I'm excited about Skyline. You know I like a good Skyline.
Can't wait to see that blue out of that
It's going to be shimmery.
blister. That she is. Wow, it's so deep blue.
Oh, look at it.
Wow.
I love all the detail. See how tiny they are? I told you those Bud Lights were tiny. Was not lying.
That blue is amazing.
She is gorgeous. All right, that is 4 of them. One more. We are not cracking the chase.
We should.
Sorry, guys. It's not happening. It's not happening. I like it when they do the carbon fiber up on that. See that?
Yep.
And it's orange. I think it says ouch. Does it say ouch or Dutch?
Probably not Dutch.
Ouch.
There's the star of the show.
Ooh, we will not crack her. We will stick her right back in that protector, and she is gorgeous.
Nice. So 1 out of 4.
1 out of 4. We are happy with
Okay,
that.
we'll take it.
We will. No complaining
take
here.
it.
I wouldn't have complained either way.
All right.
It's time for mail call.
This first one is from our buddy Donnie
Oh, Donnie. Donnie
This was
85.
from his custom show.
Also known as, what is this other one? Num Num?
Nom nom.
Nom Nom.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Amy and David.
What's it say?
You know, lots of people used to say I look like her. I do not. There's no way. Okay. Let's, happy holidays. Should I show it? What if he doesn't want me to? Oh. Thank you for everything you do for me. Love you both, Donnie. Donnie, we love you.
Thanks, Donnie.
Donnie. You're the bestest. Oh my gosh, what is this? A donut sock kind of thing? Look at it. Are they socks? I think they're
No.
socks. Yes, they are.
Think?
Yes, it's socks. Look.
It's donut socks?
Yes.
That's awesome.
I'm going to ruin it. Here it goes. What if they're not supposed to be opened? What if it's only one sock? What if I'm ruining the whole thing? I did. I ruined the whole thing. No, it's 2 socks. Look, David has new socks. Donut socks. Donnie, you're the coolest.
I'm going to wear them tomorrow.
Where does he come up with these things? He has
Secret.
the coolest gifts. Oh, what else is in here? Oh! Guys, watch this. He knows I love a good pickle. Pickle gummy candy.
Oh, that's candy?
It is candy.
All right.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat that. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Is that an octopus? Donnie! I love it!
Amy's obsessed with octopies.
Yeah.
Octopuses?
Oh,
What's
what's
the
this?
plural of octopus? Octopi?
Trey Hendrick, Marshawn. Are these for you? Are these for Landon? Donnie, thank you. I feel like this is the never-ending box of goodies. All right, I did it. Customs. I might have gone a little crazy. I did. Okay, here we go.
Guess what he does? Tabs.
Tabs.
Do tabs, people.
I love how he names them, right? That's what that is. 1 of 1. Oh my gosh, David. I don't remember buying this.
I may have. I don't know. Look at that.
Silverado. Oops. Guys, what do you think? I love the little detail with the little Christmas wreath. It makes it look so cute. Let's see if I can close it. There's one. All right. You know I'm super excited about these.
Yes. Can't wait to see him.
There's your name.
Hondo.
I don't even know. Oh, look at my bad fingernails right now. That is so scary.
Look at the paint.
Do you see the
Jeez.
shift?
Wow.
Brown to purple.
Brown to purple. Nice color shift, Donnie.
Ooh, she's beautiful. Do you
is
see that purple
sick.
when I brought it around? Oh, Donnie, I love it.
That's magic. Color shift magic.
I love that he names them. Okay, I'll stop saying that. I just realized I'm saying that. All right, one more.
Gamble.
Gamble. Okay, we have...
Look at that copper. Oh, it's shifting.
Yeah, because it's like the pink to orange. Sort of like my, yeah.
Love it. It's coming out a little copper looking.
Donnie, these are amazing. You did
You killed it, Donnie.
Look at that.
So Donnie 85
Done.
on Whatnot. Amazing customs.
Yes, and he has a show on the December 18th. December 18th. Annie gave me an octopus. I don't know which
Octopi.
I'm more excited about, the pickle or the octopus. Whew.
All right, this one.
And David's excited about the socks.
This is from Night Boys. I think it was Cinestream. Just doing some drag racing.
Night boys.
So
Yeah, he was just having fun.
not
He
sure
is-
what this is.
You're not sure what you got in your box. You got a deluxe. It's orange. You know we knew like that. Motorcycles.
Nice.
Oh, I like that one.
Ah, the
school
petty bus.
So.
Nice. So he threw that in for us.
Yes, he did. Night boys. There you go. That's who you're looking
Yep.
for. He
On
is
Whatnot.
also on Whatnot, guys. Go check him out.
So he just threw those in.
Yes, he did. That was very nice of him.
I know what it is.
You know what this is? I'm sure we all know what this is.
That's right.
How many boxes of these have we unboxed now? It's okay.
We got 38 more coming, I know.
We do? Mm-hmm. Who's sending 38? That's crazy. Oh,
There
this
we
is
go.
the A38?
No, he packs so
He
well.
does pack so good.
You've seen other shipments. Look at that. Nice.
David's going to tell you what it is.
Oh yeah. Some people may not know.
Yeah, some people.
I can open it for you.
So they're all the same thing, just if anybody's wondering why I'm not going to go and show everyone. But we are collecting a certain truck, you know, because our alternate logo is Day of the Dead. And so we are going to put a different card on the back of these, and they will be 2X-Gen cars. Hopefully we'll have it done before the convention in April.
Yep. There's a previous video where we did a mail call unboxing, and there's some customs.
That will be the chases.
Guy's Garage.
Guys Garage.
So that would have been on, who knows, Whatnot?
I don't know. I don't know. Stupid post office. Sorry, post office. Oh, what does it say? Thanks for the trade, guys. Really enjoy your YouTube channel and Whatnot. I also include
yeah,
a
I'm
little
doing a
gift
trade.
since you like Zaymat combis. Oh my gosh, he gave me a gift of a Zaymat combi. Oh my gosh. Look at
Wow.
it.
He must have did that.
He did. He stripped it.
So
It's
we were doing a little deal.
Oh, here's your label to send it
That's
back to
on the
him.
label. So we're gonna trade him that for some of those trucks.
Yay, more trucks. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thanks for doing the deal.
Yes, thank you for the gift. I love it.
We will-
Love little combis. That was the best.
We'll ship your Skyline out to you here shortly. Well, that was fun.
Oh my goodness. I love unboxing stuff.
In an unboxing when we get a chase. How awesome is that?
That was amazing.
I don't
And
think I showed.
when we get candy
No, I didn't
and
show.
socks.
Look at the little fun thing I did with our logo. Got little Christmas lights around it.
If you were a part of our Whatnot stream this week, you know our computer died and David had to get a new one. So when he set it all up, he did that. He's so cool.
Yeah, we lost everything.
Everything.
So, but we're back up and running. Be able to edit videos, get these up.
Yeah,
so we'll
that's-
have several videos coming up.
Yeah, that is why we did not do a video this week, because we didn't have a computer.
Okay. Well, thanks everybody on the mail call.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Right there. Just touch right there.
Blink.
Yep. And subscribe, like, share. We will see you soon. Love you. Bye.